A blissful morning is wished by Saanvi, standing in front of you to share my views on the topic regarding to your health. Junk food is junk. What will you choose? Health, wealth or fame? If you ask from me, I will choose health first. Because good health is a necessity of living a healthy life for every one of us, which needs to maintain a healthy diet including healthy habits. Also, it is very compulsory for every one of us to maintain a healthy diet. If we have the healthy diet, then only we can enjoy our life. Otherwise, our life will become a hell for us. Eating junk food is increasing day by day, especially in kids. Eating junk food makes our future sad and diseased, especially our future generation. Parents should be very conscious towards the eating habits of their children. Parents are fully responsible for good or bad eating habits of their children because in childhood they never know about their good or bad and can make cancer disease by eating more junk food. Parents should make their children clear about the difference between healthy food and junk food. Generally, junk food looks so yummy and attractive for every age group. It is never considered as healthy to the health. It is considered as unhealthy in all the ways. One who practices to eat junk food causes so many disorders to his or her health. It may cause lot of diseases like obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, cancer, diabetes and many more. If you want to save yourself from these chronic diseases, then say no to junk food. Junk food makes able a person to gain a lot of weight, which is called as obesity. Many researchers have proved that obesity is very dangerous for us, and this problem is increasing day by day, especially in kids. Most of people are dependent on junk food because of their busy schedule. They doesn't have much time to make food at home, so they prefer to eat junk food and sacrifice with their health. Also, it is very easily available in market. As you all know that today's generation gives much attention to the taste rather than on nutrient value. But people should be very conscious that there is a lot of difference between junk food and healthy food. Parents should make children clear about the difference between healthy food and junk food. Healthy food is a cure of disease, while junk food is a cause of disease. Blood sugar gets irregular by consuming such junk food only. Junk food is full of nutrition, while junk food is lack of nutrition, while healthy food is full of nutrition. Healthy food is almost natural, while junk food is almost artificial. In the end, I just want to conclude my topic by saying that although junk foods are very tasty to eat, but parents, teachers and elders should make children clear that there is a lot of difference between junk food and healthy food, and parents should say to their children that they should have a healthy habits. Thanks for listening to my topic and giving me your precious time. Thank you.
Thank you.